Round number 4 will be more difficult, in my view, because round number 4 will include, or should include, some of the major investments that I just mentioned. So a rental assistance fund. I don't know to what extent right now we're going to get, bipartisan support for that, whether Republicans will support that. There have been a lot of comments from, Republican senators that, to the extent that we get farther and farther away from the emergency and emergency relief into areas that are more, more long-term but necessary, that there's not going to be as broad support. I mean, there are lots of lessons that we need to learn from the coronavirus, in addition to, in addition to lessons to make sure that we're better prepared for another pandemic. We've also seen, the sort of great divides in our country even further exposed on the healthcare system and adequate, healthcare coverage, to the issue of the homework gap and the digital divide, to housing, and, people's ability to get by day to day. And so, my view is this should be an opportunity for the country to really look at those deep divides and begin to seriously address them. Unfortunately, I don't know if that's a shared view. I think some of our Republican colleagues see the government response being just to the immediate emergency rather than sort of the long-term crises that we have in the country, like affordable housing. So that's going to be a big question, whether this actually helps unite more people going forward.